Hello everyone, my name is Raisen and welcome to RiceFix. And in this video I will show you how to replace the battery of this Honda Activa 125. This is going to be a very interesting video guys, because it is not as easy as you think. So see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, then see that you subscribe. So come on, let's start the video. So the first thing that you will have to do is take out these 3 screws, detach the guard and keep it on the side. Now why you have to remove this guard, that I will tell you later in this video. So the first thing that you will have to do is detach the guards and keep them on the side. Once you take out both the guards, you will have to come on the top here, and in this corner you will notice that there is a screw. Take this screw out, then come a little bit down, and here you will notice that there is one more screw. This screw also you will have to take out. Then go on the other side, and on this side also similarly there will be 2 screws. Take those 2 screws out, and once you take out all the screws, now comes the tricky part, because once you take out all the screws, still your cover will not come out, and if you try to pull it, then it can even break the clips. So the next thing that you will have to do is pull the panel from the top side like this, and when you pull it slightly like this, you can put your hand inside, and inside if you notice that there are 2 screws. Now, I don't know why they have made it so difficult, but you'll have to take out these 2 screws now. As you guys can see, here comes out my 1 screw. As you guys have noticed how you have to put your hand inside and take out this screw. Now this is a very tricky part to open your battery compartment. Now as you guys must have noticed that there is one more screw here. This screw also you will have to take out. If you try to put a screwdriver inside, then you will notice that there is not much space to put the screwdriver as well, because of which I will make use of my cordless screwdriver, and I have this angle extension with me which helps me a lot. If you want an angle like this, then I will put a link of it in the description below. You can later go there and check that out as well. So here I will put my cordless screwdriver inside now, and I will take the screw out in a very relaxing manner. So here comes out my screw. As you guys can see, once you take out the screw, now you can pull out the panel very easily like this. Straighten your handlebars and pull the panel out, and it will come out easily. Now if you look on the back side of this panel, then you will notice that the screws were right here, which are very difficult to take out. If you guys know any other way to take this panel out, then do let me know in the comment section below. So once you take out this panel, now you can access your battery very easily. So here is your battery. So come on, let's find out how to replace the battery. So always remember to disconnect the negative terminal first, and once you detach the negative terminal wire from the battery, now it's time to detach the positive terminal. Once you detach both the wires, the battery will be holded with this bracket which has a 10 mm bolt. So take a 10 mm socket and take this bolt out. Once you take out that bolt, pull your bracket out like this. So once your bracket is out, you can pull the battery out very easily like this. Now you can get a new battery, put it back, connect the positive terminal first and then the negative, and with this your battery is replaced. Now there's one more important thing I found out here, and that is the chrome part which is there here, that also you can pull out, but the clips which hold this part are so tough that I had to make use of a plier to take it out, as you guys can see. So I pressed the clips with a plier and pushed them out. So I had to do it on both the sides, and here comes out my chrome part. Now this chrome part is fitted on the top panel like this and is tightened with the 2 screws. Those 2 screws which we had taken out by putting the hand inside of the top panel. Now those 2 screws you don't have to take out if you pull this entire part out, but the clips are so tight guys, so you will have to put with a lot of force, and while you are pulling you can break something as well. So do let me know in the comment section below which technique you liked. Once these clips are loose, then I think it is very easy to pull this thing out. Now how much force you will have to apply, that also depend on you. So here I have fixed the chrome part to my top panel. Just have a look at the clips guys, how they look like. These are very tough clips. You will have to press them to take them out of the loop, and these clips fit onto the panel like this. Now from where to pull the part, that you can see by watching this video. So once I replace the battery, now I can put the panel back, and the screws which I had taken out from the back, those screws I can put back now, and with that my battery is replaced. So in this video I have shown you 2 ways how to open the battery compartment of a Honda Activa 125. So if you like the video, then see that you like and share with your friends and family, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.